Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
In this one, we are going to talk about the embrace and the position of the arms.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work.
Okay, just very important. Elbow position for followers. I will talk about followers. Sometimes we see the elbows of followers behind the shoulder. So this is not a good position. Why? Because if the leaders lead me to back ocho, for example, we see this a lot. So followers, be sure you see the hand position. If you are, your face is looking forward to the leader, you have to be able to see on the right side area your hand and your elbow. If the elbow is behind or back too much, you don't see it, that's not a good position. So be sure you see your shoulder, your elbow a little bit in front of the shoulder, and the hand more to the front. So this will be a diagonal position. It's not a straight line or behind the shoulder. It's diagonal in front on my right side. This is how we embrace the leader. And this is, lessons just a little bit, this is how we keep the position through the steps. So if we are dancing, you will see this moment of pivoting the elbow, the hand is always on the same position. I'm not moving back. It's always there. In any rotation happens with the hips, and nothing happened on the elbow positions.
And for the leaders, it's exactly the same as Miriam was explaining. We should not pass the line with the elbow. And I will see it, if you see it from the top camera, if you have an imaginary line on your arms, and this works for leaders and followers, you should not cross the line with the elbows. Yes? So for example, leaders, when we lead the hero, if we are going to move on this direction, we should start from the shoulder blade, not from the elbow. Sometimes we lead the hero and we start the lead from here. If your elbow passes the imaginary line, this will be a problem for your partner. Yes? So, knowing that, exactly the same thing we just did. Tack. Look, I will lead the hero and I will start from the shoulder blade rather than elbow and then going, which is, even if it looks funny, it is more common than you think. Yes, most of the classes we end up correcting this position.
This is about my right and your left. If we rotate to the other side, it's always the same. Imagine if I have my elbow back here, it's not good connection. If the leaders sometimes are there, I feel the hand too much on my side, and then I feel the lead from the fingers.
Yeah.
So it's not really good. So we embrace. We use the elbows in position, upper arms connecting. If we open the embrace, let's do a side step, for example, side step, and we go to any position where I should open. Look the elbow relation compared with the shoulder. If I have to close, see the elbow is always ahead of the shoulder. In this case, I move the shoulder first and then the elbow. If I close, I move the elbow and then the shoulder. So I keep the shape all the time, not breaking the shape of the arm this way, and nice connection with the leader.
And also one quick thing, if you like to keep the close embrace, one checkpoint that you can do is that you, for leaders, I always tend to use this example, use the biceps. If your biceps can contact her lat, you are in close embrace. Let us show you here. One more time, sorry, so we can see the camera. Look, my bicep can touch her lat, so my forearm is under her shoulder blades. If for any reason she pulls back or I pull back here and my bicep is not contacting, we might be close, but it's not a good position. Yes, can you see? Or sometimes the follower has the tendency to start moving ahead. If the leader cannot reach with the bicep her lat, it is not close embrace. You should keep the close embrace. Tuck, one, right there. Yes, one and two. That will give you better connection with your partner. Bicep on her lat.
I invite all the followers to visit the website Miriam Leonardo Tango for Esplendida Tango skirts. This is a very beautiful one. We are in this one shiny, shiny black to the list. This is a very comfortable and very elegant one.
Also for leaders, we have tango pants and tango suits. It's called Tango Dapper, and you can find pants like this and suits. You will find it on our website, miriamleonardotango.com.
Thank you for learning with us, and see you on the next video.
Bye.